Over the past couple of weeks, I asked you a simple question in this survey poll. What should I focus on, stocks, crypto, or both? 86% of you said a mix of both, and only 14% wanted just US stocks and crypto, and not a single vote for Irish or European stocks. So, yeah, that's pretty clear. You're not looking for just one thing, you want the full picture and what's happening in stocks and what's happening in crypto, and most importantly, how the two connect. US stocks and crypto, but not just random updates. I'll break things down in a way that actually makes sense so you can clearly see where the opportunities are. I just have a script on another screen here, so apologies if my eyes are going towards that, just to kind of give me prompts along the way. So the goal here is simple: cut through the noise and give you clear practical insights you can actually use. And just to let you know, I have a recent audio podcast uploaded to Patreon just yesterday about stocks and crypto and how things are going at the moment. So I'll link that in the description if you fancy joining the Patreon. I'd love to have you on board. And again, thanks very much for voting. I really do appreciate people voting. 7 of you took the time to vote. There's billions of YouTube channels out there, and the fact that you voted and taking the time to vote on mine, I very much do appreciate it. So thanks again, and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.